These are the Leviton Plus 10 tamper resistant outlets. It's a pack of 10. So I got this to fix the outlets in my house, to change them basically. They're really good quality. I got these because my husband and I have been living in this house already for 10 years and the outlets hadn't been changed. A majority of the outlets need to be changed because either the bottom one only works and the top one doesn't work at all, or they work, but they're not holding the plug. So you'll plug it in and it like kind of falls off. It'll still hang in there, but it falls off. And that was really annoying me because it can't be that every plug in the house has an issue. So I went online and I got this. Again, had no experience on how to do this, but I was able to look at a video on how to install it, and I installed it myself. I changed 2 outlets actually, and they work perfect. Now, the other reason why I chose these, which are tamper resistant outlets, is because I do have an 11-month-old, and so I know the time is going to come that he's going to want to stick things in the outlets. And apart from getting those little plastic covers, I figure the tamper resistant would be best because, as you can see, look, if you try to press it in, it won't press in. So unless you're plugging in the whole thing, so both at the same time, it's not going to allow you to get to the electricity. So even if my son does decide to stick things in the outlets, he won't be able to because they're tamper resistant. That's the main reason why I got these. But super easy to install, really high quality. If I could show you the ones that I threw out that I changed, they were gross. They were not good quality at all. And they had fallen apart over the years. But these look so good. They work amazing. It holds the plug correctly. And overall, it was super easy to install. You just put one cable here, one on the other side, and then the little copper wire here.